I'm going to show you how to create a hardcore world in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. First, from the main menu, click Play. Next, you'll need to create a brand new world. Keep in mind that you can't convert an existing survival world into hardcore. It must be created from scratch. So, click on Create New World, then click Create New World again. Now you can enter a name for your world. Below that, you'll see the game mode options. You can choose between Survival and Creative. For Hardcore mode, make sure Survival is selected. You can also choose the game difficulty, but to enable Hardcore, simply toggle the Hardcore button. In Hardcore mode, you only have one life. If you die, you won't be able to respawn. After enabling Hardcore, click the Create button, and your world will be generated. And that's how you create a hardcore world in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like for more Minecraft tutorials.